This is our another 5D Lipo Laser portable machine going to USA today with ice blue machine. Ice blue machine and 5D Lipo Laser. These both machines are going today. I'm testing before sending this machine. Let me test. This machine is going with with the ice blue machine. It's working, but you can't see because as you can see the lights only can see with the help of your mobile. All lights are working. This machine is going to USA and this machine will go to UK on Monday to one of my customer. She's waiting for this, but we have to take one treatment with this machine before sending. So this machine is waiting for that and we have done with this machine, so this machine is going today. This machine is equipped with 6 big paddles and 2 small paddles. Here they are. This machine also equipped with 6 big paddles and 2 small paddles. You can also increase the paddles 10, 12. You can also. Now we are going to start packaging of this machine. This is ice blue is going with this machine. Here is the ice blue machine and here are vertical Lipo Laser machine. They are waiting to go somewhere